Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today a little bit different of a video because I just got something in the mail that's going to take my videos from terrible footage to hopefully almost passable. The box has a bunch of Chinese writing on it, so I'm not going to have my hopes up. But anyways, let's get into it. Let me show you what I got. Oh, that's the bundle. Here we go. The Insta360 camera. This is what I got, the Insta360. I bought the extra memory card, $19. The Insta360 was $600 Canadian, $19 Canadian. I got the mic adapter. This was $26 Canadian. And then what I did is I actually went on to an old Fortnite video where he had an affiliated link where if you bought the 360, you actually get the motorcycle mount and the selfie stick as a package, which from what I can gather, it's about $98, $100 Canadian that's thrown in. So all of this here actually came to $644 Canadian, and there was no tax on that, or at least the taxes were baked in somewhere. So it was a decent price. I'm going to leave the link for Fortnite's video that I found this on. So you might be able to find a different YouTuber that you want to support instead that would have it. But if you are thinking of getting the 360, you might as well get the free motorcycle kit if you're going to be using it for riding motorcycle. I'm sure you can use it on different ATVs and snowmobiles or whatever. But anyways, let's have a look to see what's in it. So what you get in the motorcycle mounted bundle is you get all the different attachments, kind of like the GoPro, how you connect it to the helmet or wherever else you're connecting it with the locking nuts. This is what you would actually attach to the camera itself. You'd screw it on there, and this here is a different side where you would actually attach it to wherever you're mounting it to. So this is like a handlebar mount. It's a clamp, goes around, locks it in place. This here you'd attach it like that. You'd clamp that on your handlebars or a different any bar on your motorcycle. I'm sure you could clamp it on other things as well, and then that would attach to the actual camera. There's also an extension for if you want to. They show mounting it to your helmet, so if you put it on top of your helmet, you can move it up or whatever. I think most people still put it on your face mask. So that's what comes in the bundle. So it actually does come with the selfie stick, and this one here is 45 inches in length. So a decent size. So let's have a look at what's in the box for the Insta360. So it comes with the actual camera. It's quite a different shape than the GoPro. Hopefully that's not a big issue. Quite a bit heavier too. This is really driving me nuts lately, is everything you get has a stupid QR code to actually find out how to use these things. Like, what happened to manuals? Why can't we just have manuals that we can read? Oh, it drives me nuts. Anyways, I digress. Get your charging cable. This is a little protective case that you can put it in. Oh, look at that. There are instructions. Yes! I get actual instructions on it. Perfect. Not much though. And stickers. I'll have to add that to my wall. And a lens cloth to clean it up. So that's my purchase. Hopefully that adds a little element to some of the videos that I do here. The reason I actually went with the Insta360 is because my GoPro that I have is actually GoPro 4 and they're already up to 11, so it was time to upgrade anyways. And I thought this was a good gap to I know it's kind of gimmicky, the 360 view or whatever, but you can do a single lens and use that as vlogging and everything as well. So I thought it was a good in-between. I know there's some motovloggers and stuff that do use it on their motorcycle. They don't use a lot of footage, and then I've also heard some YouTubers say you don't even need it. So whatever, what do you guys think? Do you think it's a good purchase to have made, or is it something I'm just wasting my money on? I should have just went with the upgraded GoPro. Anyways, let me know down in the comments below. Until next time, later.